And the printing process is also considerably more sustainable, producing less CO2. A conventional process uses about 104 kilograms of CO2 per meter squared of printed circuit board, whereas the printing process uses around 19 kilograms or emits about 19 kilograms of CO2 per meter squared. So that's an 80% reduction in CO2 emissions. Also, the conventional process uses about 206 grams of copper per meter squared, whereas the printed process uses only about 19 grams of copper per meter squared. So much less copper utilized for the process. And finally, much less liquid waste produced. You can see here that about 1.5 meters cubed per meter squared of product is liquid waste, compared to in the dry process about 0.1 meters cubed. So the process is more sustainable in that less CO2 is reduced, and more economic because you're using much less material.